Satnam, feeling scattered, sluggish, or stuck in your head? What if you could reset your energy in under 2 minutes? No caffeine, no scrolling, and no drama. Today, I'm teaching you how to practice the breath of fire, which is a powerful yogic breath that clears your mind, boosts your energy, and activates your inner radiance. Hi, I'm Mataji. Today, I'm welcoming you to this breathwork tutorial where we'll break down exactly how to do the breath of fire safely and effectively. This technique is a cornerstone of Kundalini Yoga, and when practiced regularly, it becomes one of your most reliable tools for transformation. So what is breath of fire? Well, breath of fire, also known as master breath, is a smooth and rhythmic, continuous breath primarily done through the nose, where the inhale and the exhale are equal in length with no pause in between. This breath is powered from the diaphragm, with the navel center gently moving the belly in on the exhale and releasing naturally on the inhale. It's a soft pumping motion from the diaphragm. I'm really focusing on my nose, the breath going in and out, but I'm showing you, demonstrating with my hand on the belly so you can see the gentle movement. Now let's break it down how to do it correctly, and let's try it together. So I want you to sit up tall, spine straight, your shoulders are relaxed. You can close your eyes or simply keep them softly open. Let's start by creating a puppy panting breath softly through our mouth, with the hand in front of the face so that you can feel the breath as a guidepost. We'll gently begin to pant. I want you to listen to the breath and feel the breath cool and warm on the hand, and really connect to the rhythm, your rhythm. It's unique, of even inhale and exhale, guiding this rhythmic pattern of breathing without forcing. Good. Now, close the mouth and continue through the nose. Release the other hand down in the lap. I want you to keep the one hand here, right between the navel point and where the rib cage starts. This is the place of the diaphragm. I want you to feel this here and just keep smooth and even with focusing on the breath through the nostril. Let's try it together again now for 30 seconds. It's not forced, it's very smooth. You can visualize dolphins flowing through the waves. It's a great visualization reference. Good. Now just relax, sit quietly, and integrate everything that you've experienced with this master breath of fire. It's always good to sit for just a few seconds afterwards. You will notice the changes and the difference. Here's an important note. If you feel lightheaded or even nauseous at any time during your practice of breath of fire, please stop. Just take a nice deep breath, return to normal breathing for a few rounds, and then come back into the breath of fire. This is an advanced breath technique, although we teach it right out of the gate in every single Kundalini class that holds breath of fire, even to brand new beginners. It's really, truly a cornerstone for the Kundalini technology. All right, what are the benefits? The benefits are a lot. This breath is like an inner cleanse for your body and mind, and regular practice can help you boost your oxygen levels and your mental clarity. It strengthens the nervous system and the lungs, detoxifies the blood, wakes up your digestive fire, centers your your emotions and your mood. And most importantly, it cultivates a spiritual discipline and radiant energy. You're also activating your solar plexus, which is your personal power center, which is here, one of your inner suns. So contraindications, let's go over that. Who should not practice and when not to practice the master breath, breath of fire? If you're pregnant, if you're on a heavy moon, meaning you're menstruating heavily, or you're experiencing unregulated high blood pressure, you're feeling overly anxious or even panicked, and you're recovering from surgery or abdominal injuries. Always, always listen to your body. Breath work is powerful, so honor its pace. Breath of fire, aka the master breath, is a powerful ally in your practice, but just like fire, it must be tended with care. So start slowly. Respect your edges. With consistency, it becomes your go-to for energy, for clarity, and for confidence. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and perhaps even share with someone who could use an energetic reboot. And let me know in the comments, please, what shifted for you after practicing. So stay tuned for more breath work and Kundalini tutorials. Your energy is your superpower. Satnam.